Yeah, look at.
Oh,
How cute.
That is a tiny, tiny baby.
Yeah, it's a tiny one.
little one like Hope. Look at him.
So depending on male or female for that baby, it's got a pretty big range on what it could grow to be. 6 to 12 feet is the range for length, and then 450 and then all the way up to 1,100 pounds that animal could weigh when it's fully grown. Now we know this adult dolphin traveling with that baby is mom because dad is not going to do any of the raising. But as far as being able to sex the young dolphin, wouldn't be able to unless we were able to get a really good look at its underside. So on their underbelly, near the base of the peduncle, is where dolphin genital slits are going to be at. For male dolphins, it looks like an upside down exclamation point. So small slit followed by a long one. For female dolphins, it's going to look like a sideways division sign. One long slit down the middle, two small ones on the other side of that.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Okay, boo?
Every time I sit, my knees, like, my shin, like, right here. Daddy, so, even though Kale's not
You
here,
want to see this like every day. Every day.
Yes.
You know? There you go. Yeah, they stayed out for a while. Yeah, oh, look how good.
He must be like a few weeks old, maybe.
They did. I don't know.
I'd say maybe a month or two on the baby. Very
A
tiny.
month or two.
A month. Could have been close.
Yeah, you were pretty close.
I honestly just guessed the amount.
Everybody's being quiet.
I'm probably gonna post this as a video on my YouTube.
Now we don't often think of grays and whites as a type of camouflage for animals, but it is for them. That coloration they have is known as counter shading. So when we're looking down on these animals, that dark color on top is going to help them blend into the water and also the seafloor.
Yeah, there's one here with that.
If you were to be swimming underneath of this animal, looking up towards the surface, with the sun or moonlight shining down into the water,
I
that
saw a
lightly
fin!
colored underside is going to blend in as well. So either way, top or bottom, there's still a little bit of camo on it.
You're moving away.
I want to swim with them so bad.